Today we would like to show you COFFIG Smart Roaster and the features of this incredible machine. It's an Oregon design machine, and one of the first features here that I would like to explain is the detachable cooling bin. It's specially designed by us to have the possibility of work near or far from the roaster, so you have a long cable, and in here you see the arms that move the product as it's cooling. Once it's cool enough, here you have the place where the product will exit, and you have here a little door to close and open for the product to leave the cooling bin. This cooling bin has an air extractor and a motor on this side. So it's very practical, very handy for a multiple variety of products. Then we have COFFIG Smart Roast machine itself. Here we have the hopper where you can put up to 150 pounds into this machine, or 70 kilograms, and you can have 3 batches per hour. So that's a very efficient roast speed. Here we have the sampler. It's specially designed for small and large products. So it's not a small sampler only for small like coffee beans, but also for nuts or fruits or other things you want to roast. As it's roasting, you can sample and see if it's at the point of roasting that you wanted. Then here we have a really nice handle, sturdy handle, built to lock it there with this clip or locker so that the product can exit, and maybe there you appreciate a little bit of the inside arms. There's a big drum in there that rotates with motors to make sure that the product roasts evenly. Here we have all the gas system propane controllers to control the size of the flame. So all that can be controlled and also seen here, monitor. Then we go to the electricity of this machine. We have here the computer part of the machine. It's all Omrom electricity, Japanese, so it's a very reliable machine and electricity. Here you have the timer, a drum speed, power switch, roasting switch, cooling mix, cooling fan, temperature control, timer switch. Very practical computer there to control the different features of the machine. Then in the bottom of the drum where the product is roasting, we have 2 chambers with 33 burners. Very efficient burning speed with all those burners, and you have different levels of flame that you can give to that depending the product and how fast you want to get it roast. On the bottom chamber you have all the electronic Omrom, again Japanese electronic features. Then as we go to the back part of this machine, we see the powerful engine that runs or rotates the drum. This is a 3-phase engine reduced to 220 with a long cable that you can be close or near to your outlet, electricity outlet. Then we have also another feature that is for when you have a power shortage, or you run, if there's a problem with electricity, you can rotate the drum just with this handle, and then you will be able to exit the product even if you don't have electricity. So that's very handy. On this side of the machine here we see a powerful little motor, and what this motor does is extract all fumes or smoke or hot air so your room where you're roasting is kept clean. Inside the machine it's all insulated with ceramic filaments to make sure that the inside is doing its proper job in heating up to 850 Fahrenheit, but that the outside it's kept cool, or at least not as hot as it could get if it didn't have that insulation. It's a heavy-duty machine standing on 4 heavy-duty wheels, and again, COFFIG Smart Roaster is basically running for half the price of other machines with the same features as Dietrich Topper and many of these other machines that have the same capacity but double the price. So if you have any question, please don't doubt in contacting us to find out more details about this amazing, very versatile COFFIG Smart Roaster machine. Thank you very much.